Back on Kababayan Today, ako po si G. Tonji. Alam niyo po ba, mga kababayan, that you can get into a property with as little as $2,500? Let's find out more about this with our real estate buzz kasama si Mia McLeod of McLeod Associates.
This Real Estate Buzz segment is brought to you by McLeod Associates, a full-service real estate and mortgage firm. It's not about the number of homes we sell, it's about the difference we make in people's lives.
Mia is here with us from McLeod Associates. Mia, so nice to see you again.
Always good to be here, G.
Thank you. Okay, so pag-usapan natin, what is this CHDAP loan?
Okay, CHDAP.
Yes,
CHDAP.
Tinatawag na California Homeownership Downpayment Assistance Program. What is this?
Oh, you got it. Right. Perfect. Well, it's a great program. It goes and coincides with the FHA loan program,
which is the Federal Housing Administration loan.
And, you know, with FHA requires 3.5% down. What the CHDAP, with this down payment assistance program, what they do is they come in with the 3%. So they cover that portion, and you as a buyer come in with the 0.5%.
0.5% only.
I know. So like, for example, on a $300,000 purchase, that's $1,500. So it could be even less than $2,500 bucks, right? Yeah, I know.
Okay, so how do us kababayans qualify for this?
Okay.
Because you have to apply for the loan.
You do have to apply. You definitely, there are some limitations there, but for the most part, we've seen it really help our families tremendously. So it's based off of the income limit. You have to make a certain income within a geographic area and how many people are going to be in the household.
Okay.
But again, they go based off an honor system. So it doesn't, these dependents don't need to be on the tax return necessarily. We just need to know that they're actually going to be living in the property.
Okay, kasi alam natin mga kababayan, maraming bumibisita palagi, nandyan si tita, si tito, tapos nandyan rin yung mga pinsan.
Yes, we all like to stay together.
That's
so
right.
Even though they're not on your taxes, we sometimes have all the family members with us. Ate or tita, like you said, lola, mommy, nanay, whatever it is.
Well, this is so great. I'm so glad that you're telling us about this because I would have never known.
I know, that's why I say, oh, I really want to talk about this because we've been helping a lot of families with it. And I want to see more Filipinos. I want them to take advantage of this program because it's totally available and open to them. So please give us a call.
Yes.
Please give us a call. Yeah, the consultation's absolutely free. We'll take our chart at our office and see if you fit within the guidelines.
Yes, because I mean, let's face it, Mia, lahat tayo may pangarap na balang araw magkaroon tayo ng sarili nating pamamahay, di ba?
Yes,
our own house.
of course.
And we need to build up to that.
And buying a house is part of building wealth, you know, over time. So you have your retirement account, you have your property. That's why I always try to tell our families and our communities, you've got to bulletproof your home. And what does that mean? Just make sure you have a solid team behind you, a solid realtor, a solid loan officer, a solid insurance agent, a solid trust attorney. You want to have all those resources so that make sure your home and your family is bulletproof for longevity, right? Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's talk about the FHA Streamline Refinance.
Yes.
Ano ito?
Yeah, so I've highlighted this several times on this show only because it's so common right now. It's a very popular loan program and it's helping a lot of our families as well. You have to have an FHA loan in order to do the FHA Streamline loan, but it's a hassle-free process. They don't require any income documentation, so you don't have to bring in like your W-2s and pay stubs like you traditionally would. You don't have to do an appraisal. And basically, January 26th of this year, they dropped the mortgage insurance from 1.35% to 0.8550%. So that's where we're seeing the biggest savings. So I know I kind of wanted to highlight an example really quick. We had a family at a 4.25 rate on an FHA loan that was paying about $3,300 a month and some change. We got them into a lower interest rate, and then we dropped the mortgage insurance, so their payments now roughly $2,900. So
that's significant, from $3,300 to $2,900. I mean, $400. You can save a lot. Yeah,
it's over $400, and they missed April, and they were able to skip April and May payment. Not miss, but skip April and May.
Okay, so that's because you know that 30.
Yeah, so you imagine
That
how
money.
many, the money 2 months of not having to pay that mortgage, they skipped it, and then they got the savings of $400 a month, so they're very happy. I mean, that could be a vacation, that could be a car payment.
Absolutely,
that
because
could
you
be-
know, when you buy a house, it's like, okay, we're not taking vacations for a couple of months. At least now masaya yung summer nila.
Yes, exactly. Or it's a budget for the kids' activities.
Exactly.
Piano lessons, or, you
Yes.
know, Filipinos, we love our piano
Yes,
lessons.
yes. Okay, so I know that just listed, there's a property in Walnut coming soon. There's also a property
in West Covina
In
coming
West Covina.
soon. So Walnut got listed less than 2 weeks ago. It's in a highly desirable school district, the Walnut Unified School District, one of the top in California. We priced it very aggressively. It does need some work, but it's in a great community, so it's a good
Wonderful.
opportunity.
Okay, so
Yes.
please, mga kababayan, get in touch with Mia at McLeod Associates. They also have an upcoming free Eastvale community workshop that's happening. You can get all their details from their website, and please follow them on Facebook as well. Maraming salamat, Mia. I'm so excited about this.
I know, I'm so happy to be able to share it.
All right, thank
Yes.
you very much. Maraming salamat po sa pagnood ninyo ng Kababayan Today. Ako po si G. Tonji. Kita-kita po tayo ulit bukas. Salamat po.